Hello, Barbell traders. This is Vicer. This is my NASDAQ futures trade for today. The audio is horrible, so I'm re-recording the audio for a video. Here we go. So this is a NASDAQ futures trade and Q futures here, and I didn't catch this move here from the long side. However, I was actually trying to short it on the way up, shorting the front side, and didn't do so well with that, obviously, and then start to get long on the backside here, and added to my position down in through this area. So total of 3 contracts. You can see my sell orders listed here, and I'm just waiting for these to get filled. Now my plan is that if I see when price starts to come back up, any hesitation in price's ability to push that high, then I will take the trade off. And here you just see me pausing the recording on OBS because I don't want to record all of the trade time. Now I'm just turn the recording back on so you can see what's happened with price. This is a 5-minute chart here, and I have World of Tanks playing, and then that's how the audio got screwed up. It was horrible, so that's why I'm re-recording it. And I've turned the video back on here just so that we can see price reversing. Still intend on closing these positions out with the sell orders that I have indicated. But once again, if I see hesitation in price up near that kind of like pink colored line, I will exit the trade. Here I'm just looking at the SPX open interest and call volume at the 29.50 strike. I'm thinking that that's a good area for the SPX to retest today, and I'm looking for volume to build on these calls, and that will give me more confidence in the trade. So yeah, you can see that there's World of Tanks going. I died, and our team is capturing the base here. And I only have one monitor in the location I'm at right now, my laptop. So that's why you're seeing me toggle between these screens. So price action is looking good. However, as this candle's developing, I'm not real happy with this wick. We're on a 1-minute chart, but I'm going to go ahead and just be patient and wait for price to move up a little bit higher. And that's what I'm saying here is I'm wanting to see price move up past that pink colored line. That's upper band with 2 standard deviations for today. Switching back to a 5-minute chart. Let's see what this looks like. So on these 1-minute candles now, third and fourth minute, there's buyers coming in. It's near the high, And now we've got some seller's wick candles. So I'm getting less optimistic about this trade pushing through into my sell orders. So at this point, I am interested in taking this position off with one more push higher. And I'm just looking at the call volume on the SPX 2950 strike to see how much it's building. I don't recall what the previous number was, but I don't think it had increased much. So if I see call volume building at that strike, I'll know that all of the futures will continue to climb higher. Today is actually, like the last few days with futures price movement has been extreme, even in 1 minute candles. Price is moving 20, 30, 40, 50 points in 60 seconds. So I don't want to sit through a very large pullback. So I want to take this trade off on the next push higher. Because what we see forming here on the 1 minute chart is it looks like price is starting to roll over, and I want to take this trade off. So you can see right there, price has moved approximately 25 points, maybe more, just in this 1 minute candle alone. What I'm pointing to on the left-hand side is I'm not seeing a lot of volume on the ladder there at these different strikes. So this is why, I'm willing to hold out for a little bit higher price here. If there were a lot of quantities of 1,000 in there, I would have probably been selling earlier, but I didn't see those. So I'm looking for just a push up above 84.20 and close the trade out. Actually, what I'm looking for is a push above the previous 1 minute high 4 or 5 minutes ago. Too much time left in the day for the futures to rip higher, in my opinion, and so you're going to see me take this trade off right here on this candle. Now there you go. So closed out those 3 long positions. I have no more open positions. You can see that on the information over there, buy and sell. I traded open and closed 15 NASDAQ positions today. And you can see the P&L over there on the right hand side. So I hope all of you are green for today or close green. I know it's not the end of the day, and have a great weekend, and see you all next week in Trade Chat. Thanks. Bye.